What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. It's been a minute since last time I showed you my crypto channel portfolio. Okay, but here's an update about what's been happening. Okay, so the total balance or the current balance, so the current portfolio value is worth 10,137.42 bucks. Okay, so from the last 24 hours, the portfolio increased 1.49% or 148.93 bucks, and the total profit and loss is down minus 4.26. So that means from the total investment that I made so far from to 2022, I'm still down 451 bucks. Okay, as you can see right here, I've been DCAing since stable fund era. Okay, so that was back in I think October 22, something like that. It's been a minute, so nearly 2 years that I've been DCA. Okay, so I've been buying, small bits, but we can see that we started small, so 5,000 bucks. At some point, April last year, we nearly hit 9K in total portfolio value, and then we were back down to 6K and back down to 5.3K October 23. Okay, that was when BTC crashed to 15K or close to 15K. All right, and at this point, I was like, man, I'm losing money. So I wanted to start selling, but I was like, I know bull run is coming, so eventually we'll pick it up. And yeah, so it picked up and went to all-time high, which was 11,143, and now dropped to 9,139. Obviously, in the long run, I'm hoping that this will grow. So if I do 2x's with my portfolio, I'll be happy. I'll be happy with that. So from all the coins that I purchased, I only sold one. Okay, and the reason why I sold it was because I wanted to buy Manta. I wanted to buy Manta and another coin called altcoin, or I can't really pronounce the name of a coin, but for short, it's alt. All right, I wanted to buy Manta, but Bybit and Binance uh, and CoinGate.io didn't allow me to buy because UK has some restrictions, so I couldn't buy those. I couldn't buy the token, so I couldn't make a deposit, USDT or something to swap it for the Mantle token. So I had to sell one coin. Okay, so I will show you the one that I sold was the Hello token. So I had this one. And let me see if it shows on my portfolio. So I had this one, so I bought this one and I sold it because I've made nearly 3x with this one. So I was like, okay, this one seems like it reached its peak. So we can see right here that I bought it. I don't know when was that when I bought it, but I bought it way back, way back, and I've made almost 3x's. So I decided to sell. So I would like to see if I could show you the transactions. So let me see. Uh, 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 um, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you the transactions, but let me see. Okay, let's go to the portfolio, coins to buy. So all these are the coins that I want to buy, but so this doesn't show anything. Yeah, it doesn't show the transactions, but on my phone it does show the transactions. Uh, Global Hello. Yeah, it doesn't show the transactions. I would like to show you the transactions, but it's not popping up over here. But it appears on my phone. So on my phone, you can see the portfolio. Historical data. Oh, maybe. No, not this one. Yeah, it doesn't show. For some reason, it doesn't show. Anyway, yeah, I bought Elo a long time ago, and I sold it and bought Manta. Okay, so let me see. View transactions right here. Maybe it's here. Yeah, it doesn't show. Screw it. Okay, screw it. Um, let's go back. So I sold Hello and bought Manta. So let's go over to my crypto channel portfolio and let's see how my coins are doing, which ones are doing good and which ones are not doing so well. Okay. So Chronos, I bought a bunch of Chronos, so I've got 683 bucks worth of Chronos and it's only up 3%. I bought Phantom, AVAX, BTC. So BTC I've made 2x, AVAX almost 2x, if 66%, this one right here, Solana, 2x's or 3x's, I shall say. This one, 2x's. Mm, this one, ICP, 2x's. But, not everything is green, obviously. Okay, so if you scroll further down, we can see that some of them are down big time. So here we go, Manta right here. So I'll give a shout out to Manta. On my TG, one was about 220. And I also made a video about it. This could be the next tier because tier went from $2 all the way to $20. So that was a 10x. So if this one goes to $20 as well, I'm hoping to capitalize a little bit on that as well. So on this one, I only had $87 because I sold the other one, Hello. So I sold Hello and bought Manta, $87 worth of Manta, and now is worth 107. So I'm up 27.42%. But I'm not looking to sell right now because I believe that this one has a potential to go at least $10. Okay, so I'm going to hold on to it. And if we scroll further down, we can see that some of them are down like 50%, 70%, or even 90%. So Sand is down almost 50%. What else is down? So ID is down 30%. Algo is down 48%. This one, Akala is down 55%. Damn, I'm taking a hit big time, right? So Raven Coin is down 53%. What else? So Ape Coin is down 72%. So that means I'm down 122 bucks. Okay, as you can see right here, not everything is green, but the whole idea is overall I will be in green, okay? Because we all know some of these coins will not do well, some of them will not do well at all, and some of them will do really, really well. Okay, so we can see, so there was one with FTX. Where's FTX? FTX was down like 90 something percent. 93, Jenny, 93%. We got Squad, 94% down. But obviously this one's I only invested $30. Okay, so now my $30 is worth 168. Okay, so my $30 is worth $2. Okay, so because these ones would be just a gamble, so I decided to play only with $30. If he does well, great. If not, screw it. So this one is the best one, 10x right there. Okay, so this one was on a Binance Launchpad, and I made a video about it, and I allocated one BNB. I thought Binance would use all my BNB, but you only lose a little bit of it. So from that one BNB, you only managed to get 3 Arkham. And from there, this thing did like 14 or 15 X's, went down, and now it's still up 10 X's. Okay, so if you manage to jump on the Binance Launchpad, you can make decent money. And every single Launchpad does the same thing, like 10, 15 X's. Okay, so if you manage to join a Launchpad, go ahead and do it because it's worth it. Okay, so even though this one has been live for like 3, 4 months now, it's still up 10 X's. Okay, 1000%. That's brilliant. Okay, and yeah, essentially that's that. This is my portfolio. Recent bought the what's the other one? Alta. Alt. Let me see if I can find it. ApeCoin, Neo Cadena. Ondo, I bought Ondo because I believe Ondo will do well, so I decided to invest $100 on it. And because the trading volume in this thing is like 100 million plus, all right, it's very very high, so it has potential because people has interest, but it's still down 10%, right? So I'm not going to DCA, so whatever I invested, that's it. So this one right here, alt layer, okay, I mentioned on the TG, all right, so it was around $30 or something, or $20. I can't really recall, but I did mention that I'm going to put some money in it, so I put $100, and now it's up 35%. Cool. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the markets and see if there is any new coins around, and if there is, I'll make a video about it, guys. So in regards to my portfolio, whenever I'm going to do a selling from now on, I'm going to show you the selling. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, okay, I sold this coin, I made this amount of money from this thing, and with that money I purchased this new coin. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.